everyone. Now let's picture this together. You have a vegetable garden and you want to plant tomato and pepper. And you'll be like, what would happen with the fruit productions if I plant them at the same time? And you'll be like, madness, it doesn't matter. I don't have time for this. But what if I told you that this may matter? So as you guys can see in the top corner of the left side of this slide, we have two different plant species and they are flowering at different time, at different month. So they are not interact with each other. They are not sharing the same pollinator, so they are not used to each other. So in this case, there's no way pollen cross can happen between them, right? And then in the image right beside it, you see also two different plant species, but this time they are flowering at the same time. And by flowering at the same time, they can share pollinator, they interact with each other, and they are used to each other. So when they flower at the same time and they interact, like they have the same, sharing the same pollinators, one thing that can happen is that pollen cross can happen between them. And this is usually bad for the plants, as can impact the seed production and decrease by 20%. But then you'll be like, hold on a second, woman. I see a bunch of flowering plants. They are just fine. So how do they cope with them? What happens is that when plants are too used to each other, they can develop tolerance to each other. And that's exactly what I tested. So as you guys can see my results, the yellow plants in my plant species. So I pair up this yellow plant with a plant they are used to it, which is represented by the pink flower. And then I pair up the yellow plant with a plant they are not used to it, which is represented by purple flower. So my results show for the first time that the yellow plant was not only able to tolerate the presence of a plant they are used to it, they had an increase in the seed production, more than if the yellow plant was by themselves. And then when the yellow plant was in the presence of a plant they are not used to it, they had a decrease in seed production. So my results is very important for people who are interested in food production and agriculture, as can help them to pair up the right species that they are used to each other. So my message to you guys is that next time you go to a hiking, a botanical garden, or anywhere that you find different plant species, I want you guys to ask yourself, does this plant tolerate each other pollen? Thank you very much.